Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start with new lesson. After the ugly duckling, correct? Last week we completed some grammar portion. This week also we have completed one chapter on Thursday. Now today we are going to start with English Bal Bharti lessons all about glass. Now what do you understand by the name of a lesson all about glass? Glass means what? Glass means kaach, correct? And then how that glass is made. Anytime question has clicked in your mind, कधी तुम्हाला असं वाटलं की अरे हां ही काच जी आहे, ग्लास जो आहे आपली खिडकी ग्लासची आहे, there are so many things which are made of glass in our house. From what it is made? That question comes or not in your mind, and answer of that question only you are going to get in this lesson all about glass. Here it is told that glass is one of the most, I am reading, okay. Glass is the one of the most beautiful substances that we see around us. Just take a look around yourself and see how many things you can find that are made of glass. Light bulbs, in the classroom also light bulbs are there. Light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses. Reading glasses means what? आपला चष्मा असतो ना, that glasses. Marbles, गोट्या. Window pans. In our house windows are there, that we call them slides. Window pans. To name just a few, where does this glass come from? खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी आपल्या अवतीभोवती असतात. So many things are there in our surrounding which are made of glass. And then from where does this glass come, and from what this glass is made? That is question in everybody's mind. You might be also having that question. So here it is told that how glass is made. I am reading that, okay. Now the glass that is used to make so many everyday things of man-made material, can you guess what it is made from? It may seem unbelievable, but this clear, transparent and smooth looking material is actually made from sand. वाळू. सँड बघितलेली असेल, तुमच्या घरासमोर सुद्धा वाळू टाकलेली असेल. वाळूपासून काय तयार होती? ग्लास, करेक्ट. फायबर ग्लासेस आर देर आर नॉट. आवर बल्ब्स आर मेड ऑफ ग्लास. देर आर सम आवर चष्मा जो असतो स्पेक्स, that glass is made from sand. Marbles, correct. Marbles are made from sand. Jars are there. There are so many drinks, correct or not? We take, for example, lemon juice. We take lemon juice in what? We take lemon juice in a glass, okay. And it is material, glass material is made from sand. Understood? There are so many things around us. Those all things are made of glass, and this glass is made from sand. Now how it is made? Glass is made by heating the mixture of clean white sand. White sand is taken, okay, not black sand. White खडे असतात ना, white दगड असतात ना, white stones. So white sand you have to take, and chemicals like soda and lime. Soda, lime and white sand. You have to mix them, and after mixing them you have to heat them. When the mixture is heated in a furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass, you have to heat them. What you have to take? You have to take lime. First one you have to take white. You have to take white sand, lime and soda. You have to do mixture of it, and after doing mixture of it you have to heat it. After doing mixture of these three things you have to heat it. किती हीट करायचं आहे? जोपर्यंत ते लिक्विड टर्न होत नाही. Till it is not turning into liquid you have to heat it. And after heating it, before it becomes cool, जोपर्यंत ते थंड होत नाही तोपर्यंत पटकन त्याचे वेगवेगळे शेप्स तयार करायचे. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक ग्लास, मेक ग्लास. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक फ्लावर पॉट, मेक फ्लावर पॉट. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक प्लेन शीट, विंडो पॅन्स आर दॅट प्लेन शीट, मेक प्लेन शीट. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक सनग्लासेस, मेक सनग्लासेस फ्रॉम इट. कारण की एकदा ते थंड झाल्या की त्या परत मोल्ड होत नाही. इट इज ब्रिटल. कारण की काय होतं, तुम्ही जर तोडायचा प्रयत्न केला का पटकन तुटणार. ओके, इट ब्रेक्स इझिली. सो इट इज ब्रिटल. So after heating this in the furnace means what? Big vessels are there, big machineries are there, and in that machineries it is heated till it becomes liquid. When it will turn into liquid, then when it cools down it becomes stiff and hard. Before cooling only you have to do something of it. You have to do something of that liquid. तुम्ही म्हणणार की नाही थांबा आता थंड होऊ द्या मग मी त्याला हात लावतो किंवा मी हात लावते, तोपर्यंत ते कडक होऊन जाणार. Okay, then what you have to do? How glass is shaped? How different shapes are made of glass? Once glass has become cold, stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle. Brittle means what? Which breaks easily. Brittle means what? Brittle means what? Breaks easily. Anything which breaks easily is called brittle, and glass is brittle. We don't have to wait for it to cool. When it will become cool, it will become stiff and hard. And if you will try to give shape to that cold glass, it will break. Understood? And when it will break, then what will happen? You will not able to make shapes. So how glass is shaped? Here it is told. Once glass has it means it breaks easily. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. When it is hot, that time it is soft, and when it is hot, that time only there are some molds. Molds means what? Sache. Sacha asto na. If you want to make star, then what you have to do? You have to pour that liquid in this star and then let it dry. When it will become cold, you can remove that glass from the molds. Molds means what? Sacha. And in those molds, what you have to do? You have to pour the hot liquid. Understood? Now if you want to make a glass, of this shape, for example, now here this will be opening. In this we have to pour liquid, and you have to keep it as it is till it does not become cool. आणि ज्यावेळेस ते थंड होईल त्यावेळेस काय करायचं, हे कडाचं जे असेल ना ते काढून टाकायचं, बरोबर ग्लास अशा शेपमध्ये होणार. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक इट प्लेन, देन यू हॅव टू प्रेस इट. हॉट लिक्विड जे असतं ना त्याला दाबून टाकायचं, देन इट विल बिकम वॉट? इट विल बिकम विंडोज. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक नॉर्मल ग्लासेस, फॉर दॅट ऑल्सो same process is there. Understood? In this way, how glass is shaped, that we have studied. Here it is told that very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it. You can mold it means what? Moldings are there. Yes or no? Some sache असतात त्याच्यामध्ये टाकू शकता तुम्ही. Then you can roll it means what? You can roll it with the help of some machines. Then you can press it. If there is machine, with the help of machine you can press it, and even blow it to make varieties of shape. If you will take it in straw and you will blow, you will able to make different varieties of shapes of the glass. Hot liquid glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and size. These are molds. It can also be rolled out to make flat sheet of glass. In another process, molten glass is floated on the bed. In another process, molten glass is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets of even thickness. Gobs of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bubbles, glasses and other objects. You can do varieties of shapes, of various types of shapes by blowing liquid glass okay, which is hot. You can press it, you can harden it, you can change glass into various types of shapes. Understood lesson till here? What is given further that we will study in tomorrow's period? I think you have understood a glass is made from sand, and what mixture is used? White sand, soda and lime is used to make what? Glass. Keep in mind, glass is made from white sand, and mixture of which chemicals is done in that? Soda and lime. Okay, remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.